with me as I try to complete my to-do list and shop before this Texas freeze snowstorm. Now listen, I'm a woman who loves to make a list. I love making a list and checking it off twice. You know what I mean? It makes me feel like I'm being so productive. It makes me feel like I'm doing something with my life. Now I had to get out here in these early AM streets because the way that Texas tore up this Walmart, they got the hell up out of Dodge and left like Ted Cruz. You hear what I'm saying? So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and get my stuff. Let me get out the way. I don't want to be in nobody's way because me and the kids are staying inside. No, ma'am, we are not going out. And Texas is not even ready. I'm not even ready. So I had to get my groceries and leave, honey. Bye-bye. I'll see y'all on Monday.